Hi class. Okay, here is your orientation for this week. So we're at week 11. We're going to go to the overview for 9 through 12. If you scroll down, this is the week that you're going to take your lesson plan, your technology enhanced lesson plan, and implement it. So first you'll watch the video, then you'll implement your lesson plan, and then you're going to create a Google presentation and embed that into your wiki and submit the URL for that page. And then you'll do the video reflection as well. So we'll go into week 11 and 12. So all of this is going to be due the Monday after Thanksgiving. I think it's the 29th. Okay, so most of you are non-practicum students, so I'm going to actually speak to non-practicum students, and then I'm going to let the practicum students, because there are only a couple of you, read through what you're doing. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. So for non-practicum, because you're not in schools, well, some of you are just because of your circumstances, you're going to implement the lesson or share your lesson with one or more children. If you're having a hard time finding children, then you need to email me, because I have a few resources, people you can talk to. So if you need to change your lesson so that it works for one or two or three or however many children you're going to work with, then go ahead and change that. Then you're going to reflect on your experience in a Google presentation, read this article that's linked here, and embed the presentation into your wiki page and submit it to Gradebook. So the lesson, and here's more details on what the presentation will look like. I'd like to have some pictures in your Google presentation from your experience. Take a picture of the environment. Anyway, so read through these things. Those can be screenshots or they can be digital pictures that you upload. And okay, so here are more details down here about the implementation and the presentation. Now, again, with the lesson plan, I'm going to send out a survey, and that survey is going to ask you when you plan to implement, because I'd like to know I'd like to know what date you're going to be implementing so that I can give you some feedback on your lesson plan beforehand so that you don't go and implement something that needs some more work. So if you could respond to that survey as soon as possible, as soon as you know when you're going to implement, that would be helpful to you and I both. So send me an email if you have any questions, and have a great week.